Hey, they're good.
Let's go, guys. Number 22, layup, 2 points. 25. To Joel Runtal. Runtal to number Estrada. Rebounded by number 29. He missed the ball. Number 1.
Yes.
Number 1 to out of bounds by number 14. Number 4 to Joel Runtal.
Wala, sir.
Foul by number 4.
Foul by number 4. Hindi ko alam ito.
14. La Chica.
14.
14.
14 ba?
Walang 4 eh. 14.
Wow. Number 29.
Ha? Mga kalbos plado. Ayun, wala nga akong ginawa. Ano lang ako. Hindi ako tumira.
Fajardo. To Fajardo. Fajardo 2 points. From Runtal.
Dalawang kwarto yung sinubukan mo.
Number 1.
Dapat
Plus to number 22. Number 22.
Hindi, dapat ikaw lang yung
Still, Fajardo.
Fajardo, Runtal AC basket, 2 points. Number 1. Number 1.
Tama lang.
To number 14. Number 14, people attempt. No good. Follow up by number 14. Layup, no good. Rebounded by number 12. To number 25. Runtal to Fajardo. Fajardo to number 25. Joel. 3-point attempt. Over. Rebounded by Estrada. To number 12. 3 points by number 25. Joel Runtal.
Assist ni Estrada. Si Erap Estrada.
Number 22 to number 1, Bacarisa. To number 14, Cordona. No good. Cordona. 2 points by number 29, Cordona.
Coach.
Uy, ay coach. Uy.
Ano yung mga MVP?
Fajardo, number 5.
Sub-referee, sub.
To number 25, Joel Runtal. Runtal. Pass to Fajardo. Fajardo to Runtal to number 12, number 12. 3-point attempt. Misfire by number 12. Rebounded by number 14. 14 to number 29. 29 to number 1. No good.
Nabitawan. Laki yan. Laki yan.
Cordona. Cordona
Sarap banggain yan.
14.
Sarap banggain. Samsung.
No good. Misfire. Rebounded by number
Wakan.
2 points.
Tatalbog ka pag tinangga mo yun si Samson.
Estrada, Estrada, Walter, no good. Rebounded by number 29. To number 99. Out of bounds. Urban Ego. Substitution.
Boy, ay! Boy! Maya. Titignan mo yung wing. Titignan mo yung wing. Di mo titignan eh.
Barona to number 10. female player to number 10, pass to number 9. Nice layup.
On the spot. Di ba? Tama yun. Tagal lang nasa isip eh.
Number 0.
Mas madali yun eh.
Mas madali lahat.
Yung butas ng baso.
Number 14.
Kaya kagano eh.
To number 0.
Testingin mo, banda mo yung red.
15 turnaround shot.
Ano mo
2 points.
Sumali ka dyan sa coffee. Kay Kuya Mo. Hindi pa nagpalis. Hindi pa nagpalis pa. Hindi pa
Number 10 to number 9. Number 9 to Barona. Barona. Airborne. Number 13, Lasita. To number 1.
Formalo. Solid.
To pass to California. Number 9. Blocked by number 15. Barona. Airborne. Out of bounds. Number 10 to Barona. Barona dribble and back to number 9. Vega. Vega, no good. Rebounded by 0 to number 1. Number 1. Too fast. Blocked by number 21. Number 0. 3 and 2. 3 and 2. 2 points by number 21. In favor of Canadian. Barona to number 9. No good. Canadian. Rebounded by number 21. To number 14, Masiga. Masiga, that's right. Followed by number Morillo.
Puta.
Two shot by Masiga.
Oh, injury? Sab daw, sir.
First attempt by Masiga.
Wait lang, wait. Pwede na.
One point by Masiga. Second attempt.
Wala, no good. Isa lang. 11-9.
Number 53. Nag-drive. No good. Rebounded. Number 53. No good. Number 1. To number 14. Masiga to number 21. Masiga 2 points.
Assist ni Rasol.
Yeba. Our female players. To Barona. Barona to number 9. Masiga 1 point. Foul by number 18, Barona. Barona, first personal foul, first team foul. Masiga, first attempt, this foul. Number 9. Number 9. Number 53. Number 53. Wala. Rebounded by number 0 to number 1. To number 21. Easy by number 0. Followed by number 0.
Mirasol.
Kagabi naman po yung Lakers.
Pahardo. Number 25. Pahardo. Easy basket 2 points. Number 1. Number 0. To number 15. To number 99. 0. To number 99. To number 15.
Black Samson.
Pahardo, Estrada to Pahardo to Rosal, to number 4, 2 points by number 4. Estrada to number 0. To number 21, Number 4,
Ay, mali.
first personal foul, first team foul. Push-up by Cordona. One point. Pahardo, the try, closer, 2 points by number 5, Pahardo. Marcelo. Marcelo, no good.
Sub.
Substitution. 5 out, 5 in.
Talaga kalpas to. Uy!
Buy one, take one.
Lamang ng tanggal. Hindi ka lang. Bubulitin na wala akong bubulitin eh. Dalawa na sila. Wala pa nukli.
Barona. Number 9. Rebounded by Mabala. Masita into the net. No good. Rebounded by number 53. Foul by number 22. First team foul. Rebounded by Barona to number 9. Vega. No good. Rebounded by number 22. Number 1. Number 1.
Okay lang. Wala ka pa.
Wala. Barona to number 23. 2 on 1. 3 on 1.
Ben.
Pindutin ko pala.
Pipix po namin. Thank you. Number 22. Order by Moto. Number 22. Rebounded by Lasiga. To Gordona, Lasiga. Reverse, no good. Number 9. Vega. again. Foul by number 9, Vega.
Nung una pa lang. Kaya nga eh, wala pa yung natin sa papel. Pero sa computer. Pasok yung net.
For them to complete the free throws. Vega to number 53. Pass to Logo. Foul by number 1. Second team foul. To number 9, Vega. To Chan. Agawang po nakuha ni Bacalisas. Bacalisas. Foul by Verona.
Good foul. Coach, bata mo yan, 99 ah. Masagana 99.
Bacalisas.
Hi!
First attempt.
Ace high!
Oh, 1 yan.
No good.
No, basher.
Makabuli kayo. Naririnig sa live ko.
Second attempt. No good. Rebounded by Lasika.
Second.
Vega.
Di ba ano si Chino kasi yun?
Vega. Second person
Agad
foul.
yung dito sa side. Pag hindi pumasok, lilipat na naman siya kay
Fourth team foul.
Si ano?
Malabanan.
Malabanan. Oh.
One
Kami
point.
namin sa malabanan, sa side ko tumitira. Oo, pag hindi pumasok, lilipat sa kabilang side.
Vega complete the free throw. Oh, Lasika, Lasika.
Come on, Ben.
Rebounded by Zero. To number 40, to number 21. Rebounded by Fajardo. Fajardo. To play on the top, second attempt. Again. Lasika. Lasika. Beautiful drive by Lasika.
Yun na, dali na ko!
Foul by number 12. First personal foul. First team foul. No good. Second attempt. No good. 21. To number 0. To Lasika, number 14, 3-point attempt. No good. Misfire.
Four. Number 4.
Foul by number 4. Second team foul. Second personal foul. First shot, no good. Second attempt. Joel Wintow. The point guard. Joel Wintow. Pass to number 12. No good. Lasiga. No basket. Number 73, foul. Unsportsmanlike. Urban, third team foul.
Kanina ba? Dalawang kamay ang hawak. Ni Estrada. Gusto sumakay eh.
First attempt.
Sumama sa ere eh.
Sumabay.
Gusto sumabay ko naman oh. Libre sabit eh.
Basher.
Oo, libre sabit. Gusto sumakay kay Lord.
No good.
Ayun nga lang, hindi ko mag-separate ito.
Number 15.
Parang
Inbound to number 0. To number 15. Kay Ray Sancho. To number 0. Elbow jumper. 2 points by number 0. Joel Wintow.
Piso-piso.
Nice pass to Fajardo. Number 15. First personal foul. First team foul.
Kuya Ariel, pinapashot mo ba yung katabi mo dyan?
Ba yan?
Hindi, pinapashot.
Ayaw eh.
Kailangan yan. Hindi, lalanggamin ang tiyan yan.
Good play by Fajardo.
Tama, Ricky. Pinapashot ka ba nung katabi mo? Kailangan may shot, ano yan?
Second
Bari
attempt.
fiesta daw eh.
Only one. Number 15. Number 15 to number 40, Sancho. No good. To number 21. To 15. To Sancho, 2 points. 15 to 40. Joel Wintow, guarded by Lasiga. Lasiga is using his body. Fajardo
Uy,
to
ganda.
number 4. Lasiga.
Sana yung Boleros. Dead ball, dead ball, kuya. Dead ball, dead ball. On the dead. Shot tayo, dahil.
Lasiga by himself.
Nag-iinit si Boss Jam eh, nag-iinit.
Foul by number 12.
Ano number 12?
Sinong number 12? Black 12 sa niya. Samson.
Send warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty.
Anim kayo, anim. Yelo, anim. Dumating nga pa si Sancho ka.
Cardona inbounded the ball to number 1. Number 1. Missed the ball.
Sa summer natin.
Rebound number 9. Number 9. Number 53. Number 53. 2 points. number 22. To number 99, to number 40, to number 29, to 22, 3-point attempt, number 22, 34-32 in favor of Malaysia. Airball. Number 22. Pass to number 1. Number 1 to 22. Pagbilitan ng press. Good. Rebounded by Vega. Pinasa sa likod Kyoto. Zimbriantes. Elbow jumper. Good. Bacarizas, number 99. No. Number Brillante. 2 points.
Alam mong nadilaw?
Tablan na.
Number 1. To Ray Sancho. Ray Sancho. To Bacarizas, number 1. 3-point attempt.
Niloloko niya si Estrada.
To Brillantes. Brillantes, 3-point attempt. No good. Rebounded by Sancho. Sancho to number 22. Number 22.
It's seconds! It's seconds!
To Cordona. Cordona to number 1. Cordona. To number 22. Reverse. Cordona to number 22. Brillantes. Brillantes to Yen Vega. To number 53. To Brillantes. Good. Rebounded by Vega. Good. Number 30.
Last shot ano yan? Tagay? Tagay? Ulit tagay?
Second team foul.
Nasingir. Bahay square na lang ako na nag-aaral.
Second attempt.
Wala akong bisyo.
Bacarizas, guarded by Yoto. For the team. Pass to number 22. To number 30. Good. 2 points by Ray Sanchez. Good defense by number 29 of Canadian Island. To Vega. And the third three.
Hindi na complete. Naubusan na ng oras eh. Tuloy talaga pinakamo. Number 21.
goals. One point. Siga. Still by Lasiga. Lasiga. Lasiga Tupang. President.
Hoy, Amer, sabay tayo ba ng paa? Sabay tayo? Bakla sa baba.
21-0.
Either way, i-dribble mo pa tayo. Okay. Hindi mo pwede tayo diretso.
Airborne. Timeout, Canadian Island.
Timeout, go!
Third personal foul by number 12. Second team foul. Steal Number 5, first personal foul, third team foul.
Malaking bantay, no? Grabe din sana yun, ano? Pagkangalang ipapailan. Sino ba? Hindi niya na mamagi.
1 point. Joel Pop.
Ang ganda. Oh, yung ganda ng screen. Foul. Foul. Hawakan eh.
Second personal.
Foul by number 15. Second personal foul, first team foul. Out of bounds. Foul by number 5. Over, warning to penalty. Masiba.
Last 2 minutes.
Last.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Sub daw, okay.
Substitution. Number 19 out. Number 1 in.
Foul pala.
Foul sila. Foul by number 15.
Still Mirasol. Take it. Nice one.
2.5 number 9. Vega. 45 for the player. Number 9 to foul.
Tamat kayo. Tamat ba kayo? Pagkasok ko. Tamat ko.
46-45 in favor of our inbounded by number 15. Masiba. 2 points. Vega. 2 points for Vega. Second and 2 points.
Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty. Foul by number 4, Ray Sancho.
Nagka-shoot. Nagkatira.
Ginagawa ni Parin Jess, ano daw yan? Pakita mo sa kanya.
Maybe